she is, waiting for us.
She moves under her own power. The Thresher heads back to the open Atlantic. For decades, she has slept in the darkness of the deep Atlantic. The USS
I'm Alex, and today we are attempting the impossible. We are bringing the 593 back to the surface to rebuild a legend.
This was the most advanced submarine of its time. Restoring it requires technology that didn't exist when she was lost.
Welcome to the ultimate restoration project. But before we can bring her into the dry dock, we have to go 8,000 feet down to where it all begins.
Robotic surveyors are the first to go down. The pressure here is crushing.
There she is, waiting for us.
Attaching the lifting harness is a delicate operation. One mistake, and the hull could shatter. After years in the dark, she sees the sun again.
Secured for the long journey home.
I'm so happy to hear from you. Please subscribe and click the button to see the restoration process.
She arrives at the restoration facility, a secure zone prepared specifically for nuclear decontamination. Phase 2, preparation. We must drain the dock and stabilize the hull before humans can touch it.
The hull is radioactive and fragile. Our first step is a full structural scan.
Every inch of corrosion is mapped. We need to know what steel can be saved and what must be cut away. Laser ablation technology strips the oxidation without thinning the hull pressure boundary.
The inside is a time capsule. It all has to be gutted to make room for modern systems.
She is stripped down to her soul. Now, the rebuilding begins.
Phase 3, transformation. We are forging a new pressure hull, stronger than the original.
The pressure hull must be a perfect circle. Any deviation, and the deep sea will crush it. We use industrial radiography to inspect every weld. 0 defects allowed. Installing the new power plant, a modern nuclear heart for an old warrior.
Easy, easy! The old veins are gone. Miles of fiber optics now connect the ship's brain to its muscles.
This skin absorbs sonar. It makes a 4,000-ton vessel disappear.
The eyes and ears are sealed. The hull is finally whole again. She is painted in deep sea black, a coating designed to swallow light and absorb radar.
The propeller is a masterpiece of hydrodynamics. Silent, deadly, efficient, steady.
Phase 4, life support. 120 sailors will live in this steel tube for months. Every inch of space is calculated.
The teeth of the Thresher. The weapon systems are recalibrated for modern heavyweight torpedoes.
She makes her own air. These scrubbers remove CO2 and generate oxygen from seawater.
No more looking through a glass periscope. High-definition cameras now feed the control room below. Assembly is complete. It is time to see if she floats.
Phase 5, the trials.
Reactor is critical. The steam turbines are spinning under their own power for the first time. She moves under her own power. The Thresher heads back to the open Atlantic.
This is the moment of truth. Rig for dive.
She returns to her element. Silent. Invisible.
We are passing 400 feet.
At this depth, the ocean is squeezing the hull with 440 pounds of pressure per square inch. The steel actually shrinks.
Test depth reached. Structural integrity is holding at 100%. This system failed her in 1963. Today, the new high-pressure air design must work. She's not just strong, she's fast, pushing the reactor to full power.
We cut the engines. She glides in total silence, a ghost in the water.
Weapons systems check. Firing a water slug to test the launch pressure. Testing defensive countermeasures. In a dogfight, these decoys are her shield. Trials complete. All systems green. The legend is reborn.
Returning to Norfolk, she takes her place among the modern fleet.
Welcome home, Thresher! We missed you so much!
A mission that took years of engineering and courage has finally paid off. All fast!
We didn't just rebuild a machine, we honored a memory. The 129 souls are still part of this ship.
Today, she is safer, quieter, and more advanced than ever before.
Helm, steady on course, bearing 090. Engineering perfection. Ready to serve for another 30 years.
From a tragedy on the ocean floor to a triumph of modern engineering, the USS Thresher is back on patrol.
Silent service. Deep, quiet, deadly.
And that is the incredible journey of the Thresher restoration.
From the bottom of the ocean to the cutting edge of naval power.
It took thousands of hours and hundreds of hands.
The USS Thresher is no longer lost. She is on eternal patrol.
Thanks for joining us on this incredible salvage operation. What legendary machine should we rescue next? Tell us in the comments.
You won't believe what we are building next week.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more mega engineering.